Hello everyone, my name is Gurmeet Singh and from this video onwards I'll start my Python beginners course. So the first step is to install Python on your system. You can go to the website python.org and can download the installer package for your operating system. For example, I am using Windows, so from here I can download the package for Windows and can install it. So make sure while installing Python you tick the option of setting the path. So it will set the environment path for Python and you can easily make use of Python then using the command line. So for writing the code, I am using Visual Studio Code, which is an open source software, and you can use it to write any kind of code. So the files in which you write Python code are stored with extension .py. Okay, so that's why here I have created a single file tutorial.py and I have saved it on my desktop. And I'll use this single file in the entire course to teach you Python. In Visual Studio Code, I recommend you to install one extension that will help you to write better Python code. So here you have to go in extensions options and then here you can search Python, and in the first search result, this is an extension by Microsoft itself. So you can install this extension. I have already installed it. That's why it's showing me in uninstall option. If you haven't installed it, you can install. It will help you to write better code. Once you install Python and have your code editor set up, we are ready to begin with the course.